So this current price action right now does look very similar from the lows that we made way back on the 2022 bear market, and we dropped all the way to 15K. And a lot of people got left behind on this move because people were waiting for 10K, 8K, and then we just reversed, right? So, bottom usually forms a range like this. You had a range like this, and then there is your deviation or bear trap. And then you have another chop that will wipe out all of the early longs and then some shorts. So a lot of wipeouts here, liquidations, and just chop, and people get tired and get bored. And then next thing you know, this is where the smart money comes in. So we are starting to reverse here with a very bullish order flow, just like what you see from the last cycle. But it's gonna take some time. I feel like there's a lot of buying opportunity that's going to show or print in this coming months. Don't be sad or shocked because we're still early. If you see, the first breakout really happened around here, so I feel like this is what's going to happen as well. You kind of have a resistance right here, and then you want to wait for a reclaim and maybe a retest. That could be your long right there, just like what happened here. We did have a reclaim, retest, and then you could long here, but just be careful because there are some liquidations or more bear what do you call this, bear traps or bull traps. But one thing I would always look at is the golden pocket. So I don't know where the high is gonna be here, but if you see a pullback and there's a high, there's a higher chance that we are going to dip near the golden pocket, and a lot of people will short here again and then will get crushed. That is what I'm gonna wait for. I feel like the high is gonna be here, tapping this high, this 98K. I think that's like a big resistance leading to 100K, right? So if we do that, then it's probably gonna print the same way, something like this. You come up, you tap this high, and you have one final pullback to the golden pocket, and you would never see 50K again. So anywhere right here in this coming months, all the way to December, sell your farm, just DCA, buy ETH, Sol, and that's when when you get this kind of retest of the golden pocket. And Bitcoin never looked back. I mean, look at that. There were a lot of chops during Q4 because the volume was really low. But look at that. After that, January, this was the most fun trading Bitcoin, altcoins, and meme coins last year. Honestly, this whole range, like a lot of new coins popped up, and I made a lot of money trading Bitcoin right here because I was already long from here, and then I took profits around here. But I lost so much and most of my stack from meme coins by holding throughout the cycle. That was my mistake. I should have taken profits on my Popcat, with all of those meme coins. But yeah, you really can't get them all. So you just have to take what you can and what you have during the cycle. Don't be greedy, boys. Yeah. See you guys on the next one.